Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile kitchen gadget that has caught our attention, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven, model TOA-26. We've included a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart TOA-26? This is not just your ordinary toaster oven, it's a compact air fryer that combines 6 cooking functions into one sleek stainless steel appliance. Designed to fit comfortably on your kitchen countertop, it's perfect for those who want efficiency without sacrificing space. Whether you're looking to air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, make pizza, or simply warm up your food, this gadget has you covered. Now, let's talk about its standout features. The Cuisinart TOA-26 boasts 6 different cooking functions, which means you can easily switch from air frying crispy fries to baking a delicious 8-inch pizza within minutes. Its temperature range is impressive, going from warm settings all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a variety of cooking methods to suit your culinary needs. Another key feature is its capacity. This compact air fryer can handle up to 2.5 pounds of your favorite foods, making it suitable for small families or meal prep for individuals. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner for yourself or preparing a snack for friends, this toaster oven can accommodate your needs without taking up too much counter space. One of the highlights of the TOA-26 is its user-friendly operation. It includes a temperature dial that allows for precise adjustments, alongside a toast shade selector, making it easy to achieve that perfect golden brown finish on your toast or bagels. If you're someone who appreciates straightforward cooking without the fuss of complicated settings, you'll find this feature particularly useful. The Cuisinart TOA-26 is ideal for busy individuals, families, or anyone who loves to cook but may not have the time or space for larger appliances. Its multifunctional capabilities make it perfect for quick meals or snacks, and it's a fantastic option for those looking to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor. Air frying allows you to enjoy your favorite foods with less oil, which is a significant advantage for health-conscious cooks. Practical use cases for this air fryer toaster oven are abundant. Imagine coming home after a long day and being able to quickly air fry some chicken wings or roast vegetables for dinner. Or perhaps you're entertaining guests and want to pop in a pizza or bake some cookies without needing to fire up a full-sized oven. The TOA-26 makes these tasks not only easy but also enjoyable. In addition to the appliance itself, the Cuisinart TOA-26 comes with an oven rack, a baking pan, and an air fry basket, which means you have all the tools needed to get started right away. And to give you peace of mind, this product also comes with a limited 3-year warranty, ensuring that you can rely on it for years to come. In summary, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven TOA-26 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience. With its 6 cooking functions, user-friendly design, and thoughtful accessories, it stands out as a must-have for busy kitchens. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.